This video is about how to trim and extend on Autocad. So I'm going to go ahead and click on extend on the tools icon. Then after doing that, the next step I'm going to do is for me to left click. After left clicking, so that's what I'm going to do. So that's the left click part of the mouse. I want to make use of my mouse. Then after doing that, the next step is for me to right click to be able to extend. That's the right side of the mouse. So I'll go ahead to right click on the place I want to extend, on the lines I want to extend. So I'm going to extend that line, so I will have to click on it. So I'm extending this other line, so I'll click on it so that it will extend. So it has already extended to that line, then I click again to extend to the other line. So that's how to extend. Use the extend tool on the tool icon. Then the next step is for me to just remove the extend from it, the extend command. Then I'll go ahead and explain how to trim. But before explaining how to trim, you have to click on the trim icon, then left click. So the same method as the method for extending. Then after that, the next step is to right click to be able to trim. So you see the same method, but for now I'm just extending with the use of my extend tool. So I'm extending these lines. Now I'm going to go ahead and explain how to trim. I'll have to go ahead and click on my extend command on the tools icon. So I'll click on it, and the next step is to left click the same method I've used in extending. So I'll left click on an empty space, not on any drawing, then before right clicking to trim. That's what I'm doing. I'm just trimming I've already done it. I'm trimming the lines I want to trim off. That line is not attached to, it's not connected to the other line, so you cannot be able to trim it, so it's just short there. So the next thing is for me to just erase it from that point, which I've already done. So I'm just using this method to, I'm just explaining I'm just trimming the lines now, the lines between the walls. Those lines are not needed, that I need to trim out. I'm just trimming it off. I'm going to go ahead and do a lot of trimming and extending of the various lines that are present here. Just an illustration of what to do so that you understand when to trim and when to extend. So you can be able to kind of trim two lines at the same time by swiping on it, on the two lines together. The same thing with extending of lines. You can be able to extend two lines together by swiping on it, like swiping on it, so that you can be able to so that the trim or the extend command can be able to kind of touch the two lines like I just did now. You can see that blue lines that cover the two lines. So I was able to trim the two lines at the same time. The same method with extending. The next thing I'm doing here, I'm just doing lot of trimming and extending. You just go ahead and see what I'm doing, and you'll be able to learn from it. Just an illustration of how to trim and extend lines. So the lines that I'm trimming out of it, they are the unwanted lines that I don't need there. So I cannot be able to erase everything. The only way you can be able to take off some parts from a line that's already connected to another line is to trim it. Then if you want to increase the length of the line, you extend. The next step is you have to continue to watch what I'm doing so that you have an idea of how to trim and extend. If you know that you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe so that you'll be notified whenever we post a new video.